In this video, we'll take a look at the custom features available in the SimplyBook.me appointment scheduling system. Every SimplyBook.me account comes with basic features and custom features, which are add-ons that expand your booking page's functionality. You can activate a specific number of custom features depending on your subscription plan. For instance, the premium plan has no limit, while the free plan allows using one paid feature at a time. New users can enjoy a 14-day trial to test out features and decide which ones best fit their needs. Here are some examples of the custom features available in our system. Accept payments and deposits through various payment processors. Offer memberships, packages, discount coupons, and gift cards to increase sales. Synchronize bookings and busy times with an external Google or Outlook calendar to avoid conflicts. Use additional fields to collect necessary client information. Integrate with Google, Facebook, and Instagram to drive more bookings. Our team is constantly improving and adding new custom features, so make sure to check back for updates.